So, you've been online and seen all these people making thousands of US dollars right from off their phones and laptops and want to get started as well. But you're limited by your location. Being outside of the US gives a lot of limitations on trading, but no worries, I'm here to get you started with your Forex journey. So firstly, most important, you will need to get a deriv account open. Deriv is a broker, basically a platform where you deposit money into a real trading account. Don't think about it too much, it's confusing stuff. So just go to deriv.com and make an account like this. If you're on your phone, you can make an account like this. After making the account, you have to verify your email. After verifying your email, we need some more verification. This is where you might need some important documents for security. Don't worry about it. So you need to verify your identity. You can use a license or government ID, or just use your passport. Next, you can verify your address. I recommend using a bank statement or your light or water bill. After submitting those, just wait for around 3 days, and you should get an email confirming that everything is good. Now deriv is ready. Next thing you need is MetaTrader. You can use MetaTrader 4 or 5, it really does not matter. You can download it on your mobile device. On your computer you can download it also, but I prefer to just use it online. So after getting MT5, go back to Deriv to open an MT5 account. There are a lot of choices, I just use standard to keep everything simple. So open the standard MT5 account, make a password, and you will get the account details and your account is ready to trade. Now all you have to do, if you are on a computer, just click open on the MT5 standard button. If you want to monitor your trades on a phone like this, all you have to do is the details you got for the MT5 account on Deriv. Just enter that info on your mobile app here and it will load your account in the mobile MT5 app. Now you can make trades, monitor trades and watch the charts all from your phone. That's it. Now all you need to do is deposit some money into your account and start trading. All you have to do is hit the deposit button and you can just use your credit card and get money in your account. Now transfer the money from Deriv to the MT5 account and you're ready to make your first trade. That is it. Now you can trade and get your millionaire life started. Let me know in the comments. If you would like some tips on how to mark up charts and read patterns to win trades, leave me with a sub so you can keep updated. Thanks for watching. Big up yourself.